Hold on. I don't know what's making noise, but hi. Sorry, I'm starting off this video looking very dusty. Hi, if you're new, my name is Kamsi. So basically, this video, as the title will tell you already, is another bathroom makeover. I'm going to be redoing my cousin's bathroom. Not so much. I don't know, like I think my last one I didn't really do much, but yeah. So let me show you the before of how the bathroom looks. This noise is irritating me. So guys, this is how the bathroom is right now. You know, she got some baskets, but obviously they're like cleaning supplies, and there are also cleaning supplies on the floor. Then we have the shower. So hi, I forgot my camera, guys. So we're going to take this down because you guys already know I do not like bulky structures. I rarely like things that come out like this. I really hate it. I like when things are to the wall. Just if it's coming out like this, then I'll prefer it to be like here, where I can't really see here. So she likes the whole minimalist vibe. She made this have lights, right? It's not coming on, I don't know. But these are strip lights, but she doesn't want it. She said I should just do my thing. So I'm very excited. I like when people let me do what I want to do. Okay, so I've turned off that annoying noise. So the carpenter is coming. I have a carpenter now, guys, like my own personal carpenter. And then he's gonna look through it. It's not the same person that did my room, but like my bathroom, but it's not rocket science. So he should be able to do this with my supervision. I'm not sure of the design, but I just came here to get a feel of the place when I take down the mirrors. So we're going to find out where she can put the cleaning supplies and all of that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. So straight out the back, I'm already thinking I would like to utilize this corner. I don't know, like I said, I'm just here to really take it in. So if the mirror is here, these things are nice, but like, I mean, they open up. You know, these things are nice, but like, I just don't like bulky things, you know? And knowing me, I'm not going to put the cabinet because it's going to come out. So I rather utilize here these stuff you get. So if this place is round and just to the wall, first of all, this mirror is rather high because I'm taller than my cousin and this is right here. So we'll definitely bring the mirror down. You know, like that's when I measured where my face is, and maybe like a little bit. So probably like starting here. It doesn't need to go all the way up. So yeah, I'm thinking of here. I definitely like that slab thing I did. She basically wanted me to do exactly like mine, but I did mine based on the outline, and that's why I came here to see how this is. Okay guys, so the carpenter finally came, and what we were just doing was just taking measurements of everything. I was still trying to figure out the particular design, to be honest, so you'd see me looking around. I wasn't sure what I was going to do here, but you know, I was just trying to make sure we got measurements, making sure that where we decided to place the mirror is practical. I'm really big on things looking nice, but them also being practical, so that's what you can see. I'm really precise with the measurements. So we're just going back and forth, measuring everywhere, just throwing it out there. I wasn't exactly sure what I was going to do. I soon then realized that I wouldn't be able to really make a decision without seeing the new mirror in place. Then I would know what space on the wall is left and how many shelves, floating shelves, I really did want on there. Like I said, I wasn't just going to copy and paste what I had on my own bathroom because it was a completely different layout. So we just had to agree on a particular measurement for the mirror and meet again when we have the mirror. Okay guys, so I'm back again. This is like a week after or so. So we're taking down this huge structure. Easy, put it in the basket if there's no space. Yeah. It's a lot. You can also put inside this thing, doesn't matter. Just like this, so much. I bring it. Stop putting your face like that, please. Drop it.
Make I know that the thing was too heavy.
So this is acting film. So I'm told that so she'll be here. This is fine. Hey, you can't put that thing here.
Which
because
thing?
there's no that.
This one right here.
I want move your hand. I'm holding it.
Are you holding it?
Yeah. This is the middle. So leave it here.
Okay.
Don't mark it now. You don't bring marker. Yeah, this is my carpenter. One chance.
No, don't one chance.
One chance.
You had great
So here we're taking down the big, bulky mirror cabinet. I really do hate bulky structures. I just feel they're just unnecessary. There's always a simpler way to do this, regardless of how many you have. So this is where the mistake happened. The carpenter made a mistake with the size, and the mirror was just too small. It was ridiculously small for the wall, so I knew we were going to have to redo it. I believe this was 16 inches, and I had asked him to make 20 inches. But yeah, one thing you should know is that carpenters will stress you, but I was taking this as like my first project, and I didn't want to be too emotional, so I was just moving regardless. And I still wanted to hang the mirror so I could get the feel and know where I wanted the floating shelves to be. Hi guys, I haven't spoken to you guys in so long. I'm at Lotana's right now, and then I'm heading over to my cousin's to hopefully tidy up the whole bathroom renovation. Hopefully today is the last day because so let's go. So this is the third day, and the mirror had been corrected. We got the correct size of the mirror. I had also realized I wanted to make use of this slab. I felt putting a lot of floating shelves when I had this space was just going to be a waste and going to make everywhere look clustered. So I was like, there's already this slab, this shelf already designed into the bathroom. I can't just waste it and keep it blank. So I decided to just keep the shelves to that corner. I was going to put one in the space after the mirror, but I was like, nope, that's going to be too bulky. There's a whole slab over there, so I decided to make use of that, and I called the guy that makes the basket to come measure it so he could make mats and baskets I wanted for the tissues. And also we're just trying to find the middle for everything, making sure things were placed properly. So as you can see, this is where I decided to put just the floating shelves, and right underneath for her cleaning supplies. As you saw earlier, she had a lot of cleaning supplies, and this was just me making an alternative to her creating cabinets. Because even with the cabinet, she still didn't have space for the cleaning supplies. So it's not about having structures. You can still keep your space minimal and practical, and everything can still fit. So I decided to make a floating shelf right underneath her sink, since this sink wasn't the one that goes all the way to the floor. Hi guys, so about to do the DIY thing again. I've gotten the fairy light, and I'm just gonna wrap it round you can see in the reflection around the mirror. Hopefully this is a bit easier because this isn't the first time I'm doing this, so that's just what I'm gonna do. I'd advise using black tape because they are more sturdy, but they also show. So anyone shot. Transparent tape is just the best. I'm gonna wrap this around. That's basically how I do it.
Maybe you don't wanna know. You don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time.
So after rewiring, I hung it up, and that led me to the final day. The mats were ready, the baskets were ready, and it was just time for me to stage the place, arrange things. She bought my Kamsi's Corner fake plants. These are available on my business page, Kamsi's Corner. If you want to get yours, it goes for 9,500. They're very realistic. They just have a way of elevating your space. So this is me arranging skincare, hair products on top. I also arranged the slab. It's very good, guys, not to put things in their packs. I don't like that. It's a pet peeve of mine. I just don't like having things in their container. I just use the whole bottle. So yeah, I was just figuring out how to make everything work. She still wanted to see all her things. You know, I was really listening to what she wanted. So yeah, I really liked it. We had measured all this prior. We measured the baskets to make sure the tissues could fit in. We measured the mats. I didn't want too many baskets on there. I still wanted it open, but I just felt like mats were like a way of putting things together instead of making the whole place full of baskets. That's it. You can see how just minor changes can make such a huge difference in your space. This project cost a little bit over 40,000 because there are a lot of things involved: getting boards, getting the baskets. We used a lot of baskets, the size of baskets, all of that. But in the end, she really liked it. She loved it. I put a snippet of her reaction, and yeah. I'm looking forward to working with more clients. It doesn't take so much to change your space, guys. Just minor details, and literally your space can go from 0 to 100 real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this tiny mini bathroom makeover, and I'll see you in my next video. Guys, I'm about to let my cousin in, so we're laughing. Okay, come in, let me get her reaction. You gotta open the door. Kamsi! Oh, open the door now.